customers will soon have to bid goodbye to toll-free calls. That's what sources say. Telecom companies are now all set to charge customers for calls that come through the IVR or interactive voice response system. Gauri Mishra joins us with exclusive details on that one. Gauri, now do all the calls that the toll-free center become chargeable from here on? What are sources telling you?
Shivani, calls that will come to the IVR system will be chargeable provided they are service related and not really complaints. That's really what sources are telling us will be the next move for the telecom industry. But let me give you a sense of how many calls really are service related and complaints. 70% of calls that come on a daily basis to customer centers of all large telecom companies are actually service related. Only 30% of all calls are really complaints, and those 30% will continue to be toll-free numbers for customers as per TRAI's guidelines, but the remaining 70% of calls that come on a daily basis to customer care centers will actually be charged by telecom companies, and they are free to charge calls according to their pricing strategy. There will not be any toll-free numbers for these service-related queries going forward. And in fact, all large telecom companies will be rolling out this change in their strategy going forward. In fact, already pilots have happened in several circles, including Madhya Pradesh, where it has already begun, and several telecom companies have been rolling this out for over a week, over 2 weeks now.